Isang mapagpalayang araw po sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating talakayan sa Rule 113 o Revised Rules of Criminal Procedures. No? Ang tatalakayin po natin ngayon ay yung nilalaman naman po ng Section 13. Okay? So ano po ba yung nilalaman ng Section 13? Mahalagang malaman din po ito ng ating mga security professional. No? Arrest after escape or rescue. Okay? So let's say isang suspect na aresto, subalit nakatakas. Di ba? Kaya sabi diyan, arrest after escape or rescue. Let's say napag-alaman mo at nakita mo dun sa area mo, di ba? So, paano ba yung gagawin ng isang security professional or any private person, no, sa isang takas na bilanggo? Di ba? So, ang sabi rito, if a person lawfully arrested escapes, no, or is rescued, okay, any person may immediately, take note any person may immediately pursue or retake him without a warrant at any time and in any place within the Philippines. Di ba? So, ang isang takas na bilanggo, ba, lawfully arrested, no, tumakas, so kahit sino po sa atin, no, pwede nating hulihin, no? So, sabi diyan, any person may immediately, no, retake, pursue, or retake him without a warrant at any time and in any place within the country. No? Nasa loob ka ng Pilipinas. Ang tawag po rito is ito po ay pasok pa doon sa hot pursuit. No? Sabi diyan, the pursuit must be immediate. Di ba? Kung matatandaan nyo po yung tinalakay natin sa Section 5 ng Rule 113, kasama po ito sa tatlong conditions ng citizen's arrest. Di ba? So, yan po yung nakalagay. Kasama yun doon sa arrest without warrant. No? When lawful. Oh. So kasama po 'yan dito. No, itong nilalaman ng Section 13, kasama po 'yan dun po sa letter C. 'Di ba? Kasi yung una, when in his presence the person to be arrested has committed, 'di ba? Is actually committing or is attempting to commit on offense. Yan po yung una. Pangalawa, when an offense has just been committed and he has probable cause to believe based on personal knowledge of facts and circumstances that the person to be arrested has committed it. Yung pangatlo po, yung letter C, ito po yun. Ito po ay in accordance with the provision of Section 13 ng Rule 113. So, ang basis po ng Section 13 na yon ay ito po, no? Sabi diyan, when the person to be arrested is a prisoner who has escaped from a penal establishment or place where he is serving final judgment or is temporarily confined while his case is pending, di ba? So wala pa talagang verdict, pending pa. Or has escaped while being transferred from one confinement to another. So nakatakas. So sabi rito sa Section 13, arrest after escape or rescue. Di ba? Pag may ganyang sitwasyon, no? Napag-alaman natin at nakita natin, nasaksihan natin yung tao na yan, any one of us can arrest that suspect. No? Malinaw po. Any person may immediately pursue or retake him without a warrant at any time and in any place within the country. Okay po? So, sana po may napulot po kayo ulit dito, no? Especially sa ating mga security professionals, no? Ginagawa po natin 'to para po sa inyo, para madagdagan ang inyong kaalaman at mapalawak ang inyong kamalayan. So muli, maraming salamat po. Stay safe, be alert, and be aware.